Hey guys, Alexis Sofield. All right, this is gonna be a quick video. I just kind of want to, am I in focus? I have my little screen over here. It's really weird. Anyway, I just want to give you a quick, did I kick it? Let's start all over. This is terrible. Hey guys, Alexis Sofield. Wow, Alexis Sofield. I'm not even gonna edit that out. You guys know who I am. All right, so in this video, I'm gonna go over some projects that I have in the pipeline. And these are new to me. I have never done these, but it's right up my alley. And let me show you. This is not what I made. This is what I have to reverse engineer and make. This is for a show steer, which I know nothing about. But basically he wants me to make a nice one for him out of leather and put his daughter's name across the nose. So I have to reverse engineer this guy here. And I think this is kind of right up my alley, so I might be tapping into a new market. I don't know. That's that. Also, let me show you what I made for somebody else. And if you notice, this is basically my Firefighter suspenders with only one piece in the back. I've made a couple of these. These are not for a firefighter, but for an arborist. Also for somebody else that just really wanted really cool suspenders. So I just modified this for regular civilian use, and he loves it. This is my second pair that I made for him. Yeah, so that's that. It's just a modified suspenders, basically just one in the back. This is Wicked and Craig H. Latigo and Buck Brown. Love that color. A little bit about Wicked and Craig. I just got off the phone with them yesterday. And they are backed up about 14 to 16 weeks on their H. Latigo. So that's something to consider if you guys are actually running a business. So I had to order quite a bit of sides to move forward. Also, the same gentleman wanted a belt. I normally don't make belts, but he wanted a belt that matches his suspenders. And I think it came out pretty sharp. You know, it's basically a strap of mine. Made it the same way with the reinforced material, natural vegetan in the middle. This is about 1/4 inch thick. I guess you can call this a gun belt, utility belt, gun belt. It's basically the same thing. This is Buck Brown, Wicked and Craig. One thing that I have to kind of overcome is he wanted the same buckle, which is a center bar buckle, which means I didn't need to make a belt keep, or do I? That's the question that I have. But I think this should act as a keep, this buckle. However, I can put one in between those two Chicago screws. So if somebody wanted a regular traditional buckle, I think I would just add the belt keep between those two Chicago screws. So yeah, that's the new stuff I have going down. My shop is a mess, so excuse the mess. I apologize. Am I in focus? I don't even know anymore. Who knows? Yeah, it's a hot mess. I didn't even try to clean it up, to be honest with you. It's just really messy. But that's all I got for you. Just kind of giving you a heads up on what I got going down. Let me know if you guys want me to film a belt video. I guess you can call it a gun belt. Do you want me to record? I cannot speak. I only had one cup of coffee. I'm sorry. Do you guys want me to? Let me know in the comments below. Do you want me to have you guys want me to put up a building a gun belt video or building a belt video? Or do you guys want me to document trying to hash this out and build something like this, a show steer, I don't even know what you call it. Or do you want me to just disappear from the internet? Let me know. Talk to you later. Bye. God bless you.